Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's about 86 degrees here in the desert, but it's really, really windy, so it feels nice. This video, I just need to get you guys caught up. I realize that most of you watching this are probably going to be watching this tomorrow, April Fools, but I assure you, this is not an April Fool's joke this year, and just not good timing. Unfortunately. And you guys know I'm a jokester. I had an epically funny, awesome prank just like every other year. I'll link some other ones at the end of the video, some of my better April Fool's joke, but I have no jokes to tell you because we're actually having a really tough time here. And this channel isn't really about personal feelings and stuff like that, but at the same time, this is still my vlog and things happen. And originally, before a couple days ago, I was going to keep something else from you that I'm going to tell you about today, because it's all just added up and it has become really, really hard for me and Angela and us to deal with this. I know information and stuff was already rumored and talked about, and Angela is not going to talk about what's going on this channel, but she may talk on Instagram or her channel later. And basically, her kitty, Dresden, has passed on. He was 17 years old, or 84 in cat years, human year equivalent. And, you know, he had some medical conditions. We knew about that. He fought really, really hard at the end there. And his heart just gave up, and we lost him. And, you know, I've never lost a pet before. I feel like Dresden was my cat, too. He was definitely a part of this family. And we're down to 3 now. And it was amazingly tough for me to deal with his passing. And I didn't even know what to say to my viewers. However, it has not been easy for me, as I have also lost a brother back home while I'm out here and away from family. Sorry. Yeah. So I lost my brother. I lost my grandma last winter and my other grandma the winter before. It's been the winter times and now the springs have been starting to get really tough for me with losing people that I care about. So, I mean, time has to heal this. You know, there's nothing else. We've put the solar project on hold here. We're almost done. Wayne's got one more day to do, and I just can't. I think tomorrow we're gonna finish it up, and then Angela and I are gonna try to get out of here, and we want to get back up to the Northwest. I want to see my family, and we just want to make some changes, you know. But man, it has been so tough, and I feel so bad for anyone who's lost a family member or a close pet. It is so hard. It is so hard. And I'm sorry, I just don't have anything else to share with you. I felt like I just needed to get this off my chest, because you guys don't just follow my channel for, like, the good stuff that happens. I think you guys care about my life and the struggles and the things I go through, because we're all going through the same things. You know, most of you guys can relate to this. You know where I'm at right now. And poor Angela, I mean, I hope that she can just hug Jax and me, and that'll help for her. And same thing for me. I'm glad I got someone here right now. I haven't done anything the last few days except just mope around the RV and hang out with Angela and Jax. So let me just see what happens tomorrow with the rest of the install. Actually, Wayne's over there right now, so I'm gonna go find out what he wants to do. And just know I love you all. Thanks for following me, and I'll be back soon. Okay, bye guys.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Caught in the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Oh,